So that's the radio from Pioneer from our competitors. They charge 500 euro for that Pioneer. 450? Yeah. 450. They charge 450. Probably, unfortunately, they didn't connect the steering controls, because the reason when you want to get connected steering controls for Pioneer, you have to buy some adapter, which will cost you 70 euro. What else? Do you have rear camera?
It's not working either.
It's not working.
No.
So the rear camera is not connected. Probably you need some adapter as well.
He didn't do that though.
So they didn't do that. So when we install our radio, it's we always connect the rear camera for free. In Toyotas, in 99% of the cases it works. So no rear camera, no steering controls, 450 for the radio, not really bright screen. And the main issue that customer have with them is the microphone, that nobody can hear him. So probably I would say over Radio King radios are much better. For this money you can get big huge screen with the steering controls connected, with a good microphone, and with the rear camera connected as well. Thank you.